Hi there! We are here at the Phoenician Resort in
It is
Arizona.
amazing.
It's incredible. We're in a deluxe casita. They
awesome.
hosted us for the night. We've just come back from our Grand Canyon adventure. It is amazing. A beautiful room. And then step outside. What I love is this. Obviously it does shut, but this amazing open-air patio, which is great if you want to order room service or just hang out. We've got amazing shade to beat the heat. It's supposed to be
super comfortable cafeteria.
Like 3 person.
It's going to be 108 degrees today in Phoenix, so we need it. But we're overlooking the pool and Camelback Mountain, so you can see the
cabanas, the
water slide over there.
There's a big hot tub. It's absolutely
And then
beautiful.
inside the room,
It's like a desert oasis. Like you are in the middle of the desert, and it is this luxury oasis. In the lobby, everything is just beautiful.
and in the room there's
Super comfortable.
beds.
Oh yeah, show them the
And
light.
there's even little lights that turn on when you lift them up.
So you
Yeah,
can
they
read
automatically turn on.
without bothering everyone. And
We
then
have
the
a flat
bathroom.
screen TV with a remote.
Very big.
Enormous TV. Art.
Really
And then
cool
You guys are
lamps
super
and
psyched about the
stuff.
bathroom,
They
right?
have
Is
a
this a
mini
luxury
refrigerator.
zone?
Plenty of
Yes, I wish we were staying longer so we could unpack and
A
use
huge
all these
mirror.
drawers and fridges and everything that they provide here for us. So we've got here like a little
Over
bar
here
area.
there's a bunch of candy if you want to buy it.
Yes, you do need to buy the candy as usual in a hotel room.
But over
Come to the
here,
bathroom.
there's a toilet, and it actually has a butt washer in it.
This is called a bidet, so the kids are getting schooled and on what you do with the bidet. So a nice way after you go to the bathroom to clean yourself is the bidet. Kyle wants to take a bath, he said. He's already
There's
in
a
the
cute
tub.
bed, even with a comfortable
Stool.
stool
And there's
thing
amazing
to
spas
climb
at the
onto.
Phoenician.
It's
You can even do
awesome.
spas up with cabana service up
The
on the
shower's
top pool
very
deck.
big.
There's a dry bar if you want to get your hair styled.
And over
a
here
gorgeous
there's
shower.
a huge shower, and it even has like mermaid tiles on it. Comes with conditioner, shampoo, body wash.
I'm really liking the flexible nail file too, the luxury collection.
And
Really nice stuff out.
in here,
Kenzie's loving all the little freebies. Oh, another huge
There's
closet with robes.
chapstick,
We got a nice
mouthwash,
robe.
makeup, circle thingies,
Remover, makeup remover.
and a shower cap.
So we've got all the
Super
supplies in
awesome.
case we forgot anything. So this is the Phoenician, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And again, this resort it's in Phoenix, Arizona, and it sits kind of at the base of Camelback Mountain.
It's so awesome!
So we're going to spend the day at the pool. This is the perfect way after visiting the Grand Canyon for our big Arizona adventure to unwind for a day at the pool and really have some like luxury resort time. So it's the perfect, when you come to Arizona, I think it's a great way to do a vacation, to have some of that action, adventure, and then come here for total luxury, enjoy the pool, the kids can use
It's
the water slide.
amazing!